Christian's in the garage working on his 7 Series. I'm about to surprise him with a fucking fat Molson.
This fucking sucks so bad. I didn't think the back would be worse than the front.
I got you a present.
What? Oh! The throwback. Cut to the seat.
Got a Plastidip ball sag. Dude, this stuff is just falling off, dude. Like,
I know.
that's crazy.
Yeah, the water is like.
It's cold out too. Imagine the heat, dude. Ooh, it's gonna like. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Change of plans. Change of plan. New video.
That'd be a good video.
This is way easier.
How to peel off Plastidip.
I'm doing this right now. Feel that perp. Hold on.
I can't wait to get those fucking lights in, dude. They're so mint.
Are they like on stands or what?
Yeah, I'll show you in a sec.
Oh my god, Jake!
Oh, look at that perp.
Oh. Oh. Imagine if the guy was lying about the clear coat and it's fucking mint. Clear coat.
I bet most of it is nice. Like,
yeah.
Can't all.
Dude, it's coming. Oh my god. Sick.
Dude, we should honestly fucking pull the plastic off this. Fucking prep it ourselves, buy the paint, and just respray this color.
Yeah.
That'd be sick. It'd be so mint. Like, so mint.
Yo, this is... Dude, imagine. I'll fucking abort this right now if I can get this whole car fucking peeled.
That is a good layer of Plastidip.
Yeah.
Surprising.
Hopefully it's like that all the way around.
Yeah. Wow, dude, look at that color.
I kind of like it white. Ah, all right. Well. He blacked out all the trim too. See the.
Oh.
7,500 made in this color. That's it.
7,500.
That's it. One of 7,500.
Dude. That looks fucking prime.
Does.
Oh. What is that?
I don't know. It's just a little scratchy.
Oh yeah, it's a scratch. Okay.
Bro, it's...
Oh my god.
Oh. Okay. All right. We gotta keep going. We need this whole bumper up in one string. Oh my god, look, the water just peeled this whole thing. Oh, can you see that?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh. Oh. No way, dude.
Hello. Hello there. This one's got like a rust bubble underneath.
Huh?
Oh my god, it's not. Wow, I thought that was a rust bubble underneath this, but it's not. It's just mint paint. Oh my god.
Dude. This is coming off like fucking butter.
That's awesome.
And there's a little black layer because when he did the trim and it's coming off with it. So
Yeah.
It's like, coming off like cake.
Oh.
What was that?
The light. Fuck. Oh god. The humanity. Oh. Wow, it's just melting off.
Never had any Plastidip peel off like this. And I was a ricer, so I used a lot of it.
Imagine if that was just like not a rust bubble, even though that would mean probably it is. But
Alright, here we go. The whole bumper is gonna be fucking purple. Oh my god, dude. Unbelievable.
wow, it looks so good too. Holy crap. The camera doesn't do it any justice. It just looks black.
The whole car is like this, I'm gonna shit.
I know.
I mean, it's gotta be. This is the fucking back bumper. It's not like he put extra care into this.
Right? Oh.
Oh my Jeebus Christ. Dude, it's gonna be a different car in like an hour. Oh. Yo.
Wow.
Dude, we're making the car purple. Right now.
Yep. Yep.
Come a chameleon. My car is purple. My car is purple.
Alright, got the new spoiler mounted up. Not looking bad.
Go. Make it look like a cow.
A cow. Put spots on her. Alright, Zach, I pretty much got my whole side done. What have you been doing? Oh, still not done with the trunk. Alright.
It's delicious.
What you got there?
Got some brake clean, got a microfiber towel.
As you can see, Zach Tucker is wiping the panel with the brake cleaner. I had to take this sound out because it is copyrighted, and we don't like to be copyrighted.
Look at that. Oh.
As you can see, we are making sounds because we are satisfied with the outcome of the brake cleaner on the panel. Also, this part had copyrighted material in it, so I had to take that out too.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm fucking horny. Woo!
I have no idea why I just said that, so disregard.
Do this. It's like the worst fucking part. See if anything happens. Scrub it. Yeah. I understand how it rusts.
Yeah. Fucking
Yeah, so the clear coat's pretty clapped out.
pretty clapped out.
Plastidip took a lot of it off.
Not a big deal though. You know why?
Why?
Because we're budget beamers. We're gonna budget the shit out of this.
Yeah.
Fix it. We're just turning budget into like a what is it? Adjective?
A verb? We're gonna budget it?
Yeah. Verb now.
Dude, these taillights are mint. That's sick. That's something I wouldn't want to buy. There you go. Yeah, you can see the purple right there. Violet. Navarra Violet.
Sick. Nothing but a good time.
I hate BMWs.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.